Hey, today we have one of our very own digital marketers work group members here today, Jason Nunez. Jason helps his clients mainly with administrative tasks and is the hero when it comes to inbox management. He's going to tell you a little bit about your business today. Hey, I'm Emily Reagan. I teach virtual assistants how to be marketing assistants, highly paid and both highly priced. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. And then down below, you're going to find links to everything, including how to apply to our work group, a link to my full episode over on the podcast Unicorns Unite, and my free Facebook community. All right, let's jump into the show. You want high-level inbox management that is the mother brain of your business that directs all the other operations? It starts right there.
The inbox management is really our bread and butter. So there's something freeing and attractive to folks who want to either make more money, want to respond to their clients sooner, where they're constantly saying, I read one email, I get 3 more, I delete 2, 10 more come in. And it's one of those where we come in and swoop in to be your hero and say, what if I can give you back 2 hours of your time so that you can make it to the dance recital in time? What if I can give you back 4 hours in a week so that you can get 2 more clients and double your ROI? And that's kind of where I hook them.
Good.
Because then they realize, ooh, more money, more growth, more family time, more self-care, whatever it is to them, that's going to give them that freedom that they can't have right now. So inbox management, categorize inboxes, kind of really hone in on what their attention needs at their level. That is a skill that folks take for granted. I mean, not everybody loves to hit delete and organize inboxes and unsubscribe. And it's just a time suck for so many people.
Mm-hmm. I'm so excited about this. This is such my Achilles heel in my personal life, my personal business, and my info box. And I want to talk about this for a minute. It starts with the inbox. And you and I were talking about this yesterday. And even the engagement you're doing on social and that evergreen social content, like that's your brand's first impression. So crucial. And how people respond in an inbox on my behalf scares the crap out of me, because I don't want you to make somebody cry or piss someone off or churn my members and make them like not trust me or not get back to them quick enough. So when you talked about freeing up time, it's not just freeing up time. It's like making sure your customers have their answers quickly so they don't give up faith on you. And so the inbox is the beginning of all of my operations. Like, it is so crucial. And I've had this epiphany this year that it is not a $15 an hour job. I cannot trust just anybody, especially someone who doesn't speak English, who doesn't understand my business in there.
Yeah, the inbox is the funnel. It's the funnel, it's the face. It's you physically walking into someone's office. That first impression. How are they dressed? Is it punctual? You know, what's the tone? Do they have a mug on them? Like, when you draft an email or anything that comes to the email, folks are going to see it in the lens as if they were looking at you in person. And one of the things that I have come to use and leverage when folks are like, oh, I don't need help with the inbox, I just need help with answering notifications and responses on social. Where do those notifications go? To your inbox.
Yeah.
Oh, I just need help organizing my receipts and putting them into Concur and then getting the report. Great. Where do those receipts go? In your inbox. So it all ties back to the inbox. So a nice, clean, organized inbox makes for extreme time management and time savings.
So can I pick your brain on the fly? Like, what would be a good tip for the freelancer like me who's managing my inbox in terms of like organizing, I don't know, client inquiries or like not dropping the ball on things? Like, what's something that I could do to be better at my job or that will help me, sign more clients?
I think one of the things is really separating what emails are sent to you and what emails you're a part of a distro list. So there's rules and labels within Gmail as well as Outlook, and you can automatically funnel those out, whether that's to a separate tab in your inbox or just labeling them. because what I found is that your time really needs to be spent on those leads, on those clients, on those paying clients, on those former clients to get them back. And while over time you sign up for Twilio and Canva and they want to sell you their latest stuff, you don't want that to be the weeds in your inbox and drown out the money makers. So within Google, you can go in, create a rule that anything that is sent to you specifically on the to line that is also a condition not in a mail list, tag it with read now or tag it with leads. That way, every time you see that label, you know you have to answer that. And the cool thing is that, sorry, Mac users, I'm not familiar with the Mac, but if you hit the Windows sign and the period or the greater than sign on your keyboard, it pops up emojis. Make the label with an emoji so that it draws your attention even more and it just
Yeah.
doesn't get clouded. Just doing that alone, you'll find savings in your time, savings in your attention, and hopefully a quick and rapid ROI.
That was gold. And everyone listening to this know that Jason A is coming in the work group to teach us more, especially
Mhm.
on behalf of our clients. I've worked with different people in my inbox on my team, and most people suck at it. It's not rocket science, but most people aren't thinking in terms of operations and how does this feed into the business and what needs to be done next.
Yeah, a tip for those freelancers who are currently doing inboxes that are struggling. Go into the sent files and read some of their emails.
Mm-hmm.
Learn their tone, learn their emails, learn their verbiage, learn how they draft emails. Are they lengthy AI generated emails that are tweaked? Are they short one sentences? You
Yeah.
want to be working in the company on behalf of them,
Mm-hmm.
not as your own company for them.
Yeah.
And that's where you build that trust with the clients to be able to manage the inbox, where you'll start seeing that you're not getting flagged for different tones.
People read into your words like,
Some folks just want help. Some folks want US based help. Some folks want their community help. So you find your niche, and you're not going to be for everyone, and not everyone is going to be for everyone. So it's real, and you just need to stick to your own core values. But that language, that lingo, is that attention to detail. Do the extra work and go email stalk them, going through their your client sent box and seeing kind of how they drafted. And then it
good.
also helps you create somewhat templated forward answers, because hey, if they said this in this email as a response to this question, I should probably keep this somewhere because I'm sure this question is going to come up again.
Yeah.
Make your own notes, own the role. Don't just think that you're doing it on behalf of somebody else. And I think that's a mindset again that I think folks overthink it. Again, inbox,
Yeah.
emails. You're not building a car. You're not building a house. You're not doing surgery. It's
Yeah.
literally answering emails.
But look. I put so much effort into building these funnels. I have a gazillion funnels that are like, tell me where you're at, Cindy. And I have so many emails that are like, respond on a 1 through 10. Like, how's your confidence level? And I didn't just build all these automations so somebody responds and then they go into a black hole of nothingness. I
Right.
want conversations started.
Yeah. Make that another label. Anything that is replied to, create another rule to
Yeah.
where you know that when you're doing your A B testing, this A testing was talking about going to Aspen and you wanted to know if they've ever been, and this one is going to Bucharest to see if they've ever been. Tag it A and B so you know how to respond.
Yeah.
And just it's really about when you go to your inbox, don't try to do it all target an area, target a color, target a label, but you have to have your inbox organized and cleaned out for
Yeah.
that.
Amen. Amen. Jason, where's the best place to connect with you?
So you can connect with me on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And if you connect with me following this show, you will get a free admin playbook template so that you can use for anything, whether that is giving your kids SOPs on how to mop and sweep the floor or clean their room. Or you can use it for one of your clients on how to strategically organize their inbox. So, playbook template, all yours, following the show.
If you loved everything Jason was teaching, you want to know more, there is a full-length podcast episode. Just click below in the show description to go listen. I'll see you next time.